here's the stuff that we sent out, all packaged up very nicely. Alright guys, airbag light is off. Hey guys, DIY Salvage Guy here. Welcome to the channel. On this channel, we just learn as we go. We pick everything up as we go and we try to figure it out along the way. So if you guys are new here, subscribe down below. Make sure you guys like, comment, let me know what you guys think about this stuff, future builds, whatever you guys want to see, let me know. Post notifications, ring that bell, and make sure you guys follow me on all the socials at DIY Salvage Guy, and check out the merch line also. That way you guys can help support the channel, help me grow and get better and better, and bring you guys better and bigger builds. Today's episode is sponsored by myairbags.com. They helped with the build. They were really great with all this. Very happy with them, so check them out. I got a link down below, all of that stuff in the description. So big shout out to them. Thank you guys for being here and supporting me through this build and helping me to grow to the status that I'm hoping to eventually get to. Alright guys, we are back on the Mustang build, and what we're going to be doing is shifting gears left to the left. We're going to try to pull the panels out, but we just got all the airbag interior accessories, so we are going to get this all buttoned up so we get the interior all back together and have that completely done and move on to everything else after that. Then we can plug the battery back in and not have to worry about anything. We'll be able to shut the door again. So first thing we're going to do is open up our packages that we got and check everything out. Alright, so let's open up this package. This is coming back from myairbags.com. Check them out guys, they are sponsoring this build. They have repaired the airbag control module. They have repaired the driver's side safety belt for me. So this should be a plug and play procedure. So big thank you to them over at their headquarters, and thank you very much for getting this back to me so quick. It was a super simple process. All I had to do was take it out, do an order online. It was a free shipping label back to them. You do not pay until they completely fix your part, and then they ship it back to you. You pay them and you get it within, you can basically get everything within a week. Ship it out, have them repair it, and sent back to you. Super quick, super efficient, and they send it back to you really nice and easy. So here's the stuff that we sent out, all packaged up very nicely, and we're going to pop this back into the car itself along with the airbag. We'll reconnect the battery, and then we will see how it all works. The airbag light should shut off, and we'll go from there. So let's just pop this stuff open. So very important, they put a note on here. Do not remove the clip until the belt has been installed in the vehicle. So we're going to do that. So let's follow the instructions, make sure it's all good. We'll go step by step, we'll get this in. I'll throw this in the time lapse real quick, and we will get this thing back together. So step by step, coming together here guys. Let's start with the easiest thing. Start with the airbag itself, then we'll do these other two things, button it all back up, and be done. So you guys remember the airbag is super simple. Anytime you're working on airbags, pyrotechnics, anything of the like, make sure that your battery is disconnected. You do not want to have your airbags explode with your battery on and being connected, so make sure that you take care of that accordingly. We're just going to plug it back in, same way it came out. Super simple. And we'll redo all the bolts and everything, and we'll be done. All right, give you guys a quick update. We got the seatbelt installed. We got the airbag control module installed. We got the airbag in the steering wheel installed. Seatbelt is moving again, as you guys can see. And what my airbags said to do is remove this when it is installed. So it's simply just taking this rubber band off and removing this. So now this should go back in completely, which it does. Seatbelt moves, so big thank you to my first sponsor, myairbags.com. Link below. Check them out, guys. Use them for this stuff. Super simple process, super easy, very professional. Check out their Instagram. I'll show that as well. They got a YouTube channel. Big thank you to them for helping me get through this and getting this all set up. We do have to start the car with the battery on and make sure that everything is good. The airbag light should be off. Worst comes to worst, we can reset it still. But let's button this up and I'll show you guys the interior and the last finishing touch on the interior as well. So I'm just gonna button up the rest of this panel, throw the back seat back in, and we should be good on the inside of this vehicle. All right, guys, interior is completely buttoned up. Seatbelt works good. So last two things we have to do are shift knob. So we just ordered this up. You guys know from watching this that the car did not come with one. So we ordered one up and we're gonna keep the all black theme. So we went with the black 6-speed, looking pretty good here, guys. So we're gonna toss this on first as the kind of the boot holder. If we put it on correctly, that is. So this screws down like so. Just hand tight, make sure that it's evened out. And toss the knob itself on. We got our 6-speed back, guys. And lastly, everyone loves a good sticker peel. So let's do this together. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, guys. All right, now the only thing that's left to do is to read the instructions on how to go about the airbag module reset, make sure that everything's good. So we're going to read those real quick and we're going to plug the battery in and give her a start, and hopefully airbag module is off, interior is buttoned up, and we're good to go with this. So stand by, let's read the instructions, we'll plug it in, and hopefully nothing explodes. All right, we got the battery plugged in. We do have power, so let's give it a start and see what it does. And somehow our brand new battery is dead. So we got to jump that. All right, we got the jumper box on. Let's give this another shot. Airbag light came right back on. Not good, but we'll do what else they say and cycle through things and see what we got to do. So it says we got to cycle through the ignition 3 to 4 times for 10 seconds off, then 10 seconds on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, guys, let's try this again. Hopefully it works. Airbag light is still on, so we're going to scan it and check the codes. All right, guys, we had 15 codes. We just cleared them all. Let's give it a shot, see if this thing actually works, if the airbags are shut off, or if there was another code that I missed. Let's check this out right now. We did clear everything. It said we had a couple blown codes, so let's see. Alright guys, airbag light is off, so we did need to just reset everything. We cleared it with our module, and so we're good now. So big thank you to myairbags.com for getting me situated with all this stuff and making sure that we're good. Now we're on to the next couple things, which is apparently the traction control. That's not working, and some other things that are always going to be fun to deal with. So that's going to do it for now. Everything's back together. Airbags are off. We're good to go on this, guys. Interior is all buttoned up. We're all good to go with that. Shout out to myairbags.com for helping out with the build and sponsoring and getting the control module reset and the seatbelt all done up as well. In the future, we'll be using them for sure. Check out the link down below. Support them, guys. They are wonderful people over there. If you guys are new here, subscribe down below, like, comment, throw on those post notifications, be here. Follow me over on Instagram, all the socials at DIY Salvage Guy. Hopefully you guys will be inspired by this and just help learn as we go and pick up a wrench, buy a car, do whatever you need to do. Just try to become a DIY Salvage Guy yourself.